All right, so in respect to the last video I posted about what happened between Iyabo Ojo, police station and everything, Iyabo Ojo, in a bid to defend herself, she has gone to make a live video on Instagram. And she said a lot of things. This is part of what she said.
What's going on in the group at that time? I think when Sam Clef was attacking the video and Dre, they had this, they're off there. And I left the group then because I was like, I don't understand the fight. At that time, I already even made up my mind that I was not getting involved with the Justice for Mohbad again, because then there was too many distractions. There was the DNA issue, there was the CCTV issue, there was this issue, there was, Baba Mohbad and Wumi's issue. Like, it was just a whole lot.
Now, Iyabo Ojo is saying that she left the group chat when Sam Clef started attacking Davido. That she left the group chat, and coupled with DNA, all those things, she shall left the group chat. But that's not true, Iyabo. But first of all, I'm happy that you acknowledge the group chat, because now you be the admin. I'm happy that the admin is speaking. But that's not true, Iyabo. You left the group chat because of DNA problem. That's why you left the group chat. Now I'll be forced to post all these things. Or since I started releasing this group chat, I left your side for a purpose. The only reason why I left your side is because I was thinking that you will come to the public and just say the truth. And just say the truth, that's all. The only reason why I started releasing that group chat is because you went back on the agreement that you people had. I know what they happened to you now. You are feeling like if you apologize, people will now see you as a bad person and all that. I know how you are feeling. Oh, Queen Mother and all that. How we Queen Mother where they show herself, come, they apologize. But now, I am forced to start posting these things. Now, first things first, when I say justice for Mohbad, but now they saw the video. But anyways, let's move. You said you left this group chat when they started fighting Sam Clef, and when Sam Clef started attacking the video. The fight between Sam Clef and Dre, DMW, was on the 6th of October. I'll read part of it. Sam Clef say, I'm not your mate in any way. Dre say, no try me, waiting you won't do. Sam Clef asked him. Dre say, no vex me, I did tell you now. Sam Clef then responded, say, waiting you chop, Dre. Who they want you? Dre say, I go put justice one side and face you. Sam Clef say, you dey threaten me? Dre say, okay, come Nigeria, let's face it together here. They now continued. Dre now said, Iyabo now responded. There, Iyabo now sent a voice note, but they continued. Said Dre now said, Shebi you dey Yankee. Sam Clef say, be like you don't chop belleful. I go post for the whole world to see. Dre say, I don't fuck up. Then Sam Clef say, you dey play with fire. The likes of the Ramali go learn. Now, in all honesty, for Sam Clef part, for all the group chats, Sam Clef is one of the person where actually they fight for the justice. Although he said a lot of insults, but I can understand his tone was based on emotions. There are few people here that were fighting for justice, but some had an hidden agenda. But let's go back. Iyabo Ojo claimed that she left the group chat immediately after this fight, but that's not true. On the 9th of October, Iyabo Ojo posted something of me and Davido in the group. Then she said, there's confusion in your camp. She dated Dre. Davido said, there's confusion in your camp. No wonder this guy has the liver to be chatting shit. That is me. Because a lot of people like Davido are supporting him. So make we know what's up. Justice for Mohbad is forever not only who killed him. Forever not only killed him, but bullied him physically, financially, and mentally. Justice for Mohbad is not only who killed him. So somebody killed Mohbad. When in the world they don't leave people where buy person, start to they go find people where bully him. Oh boy, when are they sitting? This Mohbad, what will they find who kill him? You said the justice for Mohbad is not only who killed him. So somebody killed him. Do you understand? And these same people talk say la justice that they find. But let's move on. You said you left when they fight, which is on the 6th, but this is your post on the 9th in the group. On the 9th again, you continued again talking about Davido. You now said, you said, Davido shouted justice, but was supporting the same guy who is working for Sam Larry and Naira Marley. That's when she put it on my head, say they work for them. Just because I'm not saying what they want to hear. I am saying, who deal with this boy for house? She continued, I dislike Oshaka, Shoko, make them stay one place. Make we know where we stand. Then Dre now said, nobody fit stop justice. Make your decision out there. I support, I stand for justice. Then she continued. There's something Dre said. Dre now said, nobody should think because of one person in my own camp, you should not do or say your mind. Do the anything you feel like to do out there, therefore enabling any attack on Davido from this place. But anyways, let's continue. She said, Davido is definitely supporting Naira Marley. Nobody can tell me otherwise. Be like say I am just observing, I am watching. Una dey find justice for Mohbad, but you dey bothered about who they follow and who no dey follow. This is the Justice for Mohbad group. Then she continued, my problem is not even the black, that is me. Whatever is Davido, who flee down like he claimed to fight for justice, but he still dey follow Naira Marley. What is it with you and who they follow Naira Marley, this woman? But anyways, and now he's not only following their supporter, which is me. He's doing a live video. That is Ojo now. That means he was just chasing clouds. I am so disappointed with him. And to think he has been saying he's the only superstar artist who stood by Mohbad. Jesus, fake love. Now she finger these thoughts against Davido. And Sam Clef being an emotional person, where genuinely they fight the justice. Because I go through everything. Sam Clef clean. A lot of them, their hands are clean. Do you understand? And now from there, Sam Clef can start today. Go they talk about the video. Meanwhile, she can't put on now say Sam Clef they attack the video while she leave the group. But let's continue. On the 13th of October, she still posted again. This is same you that said you left immediately. She posted a picture of me and somebody, Uti Uwachuku. But this time, now Cutie Juice na imposter, because Cutie Juice and her na body, all of them they run out together. Now, Tonto Dike on the other hand, in as much as this is crazy to come out of my mouth, Tonto Dike was genuinely at some point trying to fight for justice, and I will take you people down, make you understand. Now the time of DNA, now he clearly say Tonto Dike no even know what's up. Do you understand? And a lot of them didn't know what's up. I could post that DNA part. It's so crazy. I'll post that. But let's finish with Iyabo that lied that she left that group chat the day Sam Clef and Dre had a problem because Sam Clef was attacking the video. On the 13th of October, she posted it on the group. One, a repost from Kitty Juice when they talk say I be gay. Because as I don't they press their neck, I don't they talk with it, they know one year. They put gay allegation on me. Now she said, Tonto, what she just said. Tonto was surprised. Tonto said, let me just believe that this blog knows what I know. If not, how is this posted just few minutes after I said it? Now, Tonto Dike, if you are watching this video, know this today. You said this to Iyabo Ojo few minutes. Next thing, Cutie Juice post it. But Tonto Dike is not entirely dumb. But again, am I no go? Then she said, this is a secret in the gay community here in Abuja, and my cousin is one of them. Anyways, make it fly. So Tonto said for surprise, but Cutie Juice na their party. But let's continue. Iyabo said she left the group immediately after Sam Clef was now talking about the video. Abi? On the 6th. Now, on the 13th, you still posted. On the 22nd of December, Iyabo, this is you. You said, thank you, family. You still posted. On the 29th of December 2023, you still posted, hello, everyone. You still posted, I am going to put out the write-up soon. This is you again. On the 3rd of January 2024, you still posted, Barrister Ramide, blah, blah, blah. This is you again on the 10th of January, where you said, I am in Abuja. You still posted in the group. This is you again on the 11th of January. You still posted in the group. This is you again on the 11th of January, where you said Mohbad's father is a useless father, very useless father. This is you again on the 27th, on the 22nd of February. You still posted. This is you on the 29th of March 2024. You still posted when people were planning that Wunmi will leave Nigeria. This is you again on the 13th of April. You still posted. 17th of April. You still posted. 2024. 26th of April 2024. This is when you people were saying Wunmi have done a private DNA. This DNA will come back to them. This is you again on the 9th of June 2024. You still posted where you say happy birthday beautiful soul Tonto Dike, King Tonto Dike, love you loads. Dre, Davido and Sam Clef had their issue on the 6th of October 2023, but you posted till you people were on that group till on the 9th of June. Now you are saying you left that group because of say they insult Davido, making it look as if now Sam Clef they attack Davido, you leave the group. But that's not true. The main reason why that group scatter now because of Wunmi DNA test results. I will post it. I didn't want to do all these things. But because, you know what, just talk. You know a lot of narrative were pushed. You know you people distracted justice for Mohbad because of your own personal agenda. A lot of people in this group actually came for justice. But you know a lot. You know why I say you know a lot? Because now only you for that group. I can beat my chest to say, Sam Clef, I've never spoken to Wunmi before. In everybody in that group, now only you to talk to Wunmi directly. I'm not trying to push it on anybody. But don't lie. I've been trying to cover you all this while thinking that, okay, yes, you go just use your mouth, just talk, say, okay, to the general public, this is what happened, this is what happened. Again, that part where you talk, say, justice for Mohbad is not about who killed him or bully him. No wonder. That is where that narrative started from. That justice for Mohbad is not only who killed him, but who bullied him. So who kill him, make it go scot-free? Who kill him, make it go scot-free? Anyways, we'll continue. Peace and love, don't play. Yes, you're gonna learn, and you'll learn the hard way.